Hello, this is Anil Ramshreeder. I'm going to be doing a training right now on how to set up a new member using your website. This is not setting up a VIP shopper, which is a retail customer. This is actually setting up a business partner or a new member, either as a retailer, lifestyle promoter, or lifestyle advisor. So first thing you want to do is go to your website. Make sure here your link has your name at the end. So it'll be myopulence.com/Sweet and Deadly. That is the name of my website, for example, but yours will have the name, your name at the end after myopulence.com/ whatever that is. What you want to do is first, always remember this step. You want to sign in. Put in your username and password. And before placing anybody in your business that you are personally sponsoring, and of course teach this to your team members as well, you want to go in and make sure the binary placement is set to left or right, because we build two teams to earn the team commissions in the binary. You build a left and a right. So here, for example, my binary is set to the left. So if I wanted to click it to right, I would choose right, then I would click update. So that's all you need to do. It's to set the binary placement before you put someone in the business. Make sure you click the binary settings. It's under dashboard. You click left or right, and you click update. And to access the dashboard, once you log in, it's right here. Or if you click under your username in the top right here, you see it in the drop-down as well. So that's two ways you can access your dashboard. Once you set the binary placement, now you can go in and place a member. Now, how do you do that? Under dashboard, where it says organization, when you hit that drop-down, it's right here where it says add a new member. Okay? And here you can start putting in a person. I recommend a username. For example, you may want to choose a name that they want. For example, it could be My Dreams Work, which is one of my business partners. Or maybe you're working with, say, Babu Gopal. You may want, or you can use your first and last name, J. Gopal. That's an example, okay? So use your first and last name, or you can come up with a name, okay? Then the password, I always recommend keeping it simple. Maybe it could be the person's first name or their initials, 1, 2, 3, 4. They can always go in and change it later on, and you want to confirm the password. Frank, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to put in their information, their billing address, where they want their products and any mail or correspondence from the company going to them. Make sure you take your time on this page. Then you want to select here where it says they should receive information from Opulence by email of any announcements and so forth. Definitely want to check that. You want to select the package, whether it be lifestyle advisor, lifestyle promoter, retailer. And also, you want to select the smart buy. So let me do something here right now. You notice when I select lifestyle advisor, it automatically selects the smart buy shopping credits of 150. Well, let it do that. You can always change it within the next week or two to whatever the client wants or the new business partner wants. Maybe they want to save up their 150 a month plus tax towards buying something in the fashion or buying gifts, maybe at Christmas or a certain time of the year. Some people like to save up, or they may want products coming every month. So as soon as you set them up as a partner, you want to have a conversation with them about what they want. I highly recommend Smart Buy because you know they will be getting products every single month. And then here, you want to select the terms and conditions, and then you move forward by launching the online shop. If for any reason the username is taken, the system will notify you. So you have to come back here and re-enter in a new username, whatever that may be. And then go through the form again one more time and make sure everything was filled in, because sometimes it may default back to how the form was before. So you want to double check everything before moving forward. And you go to the credit card page, you select credit card, you fill in the information, make sure the credit card matches the billing address of the person. So what do I mean? The shipping address may not necessarily match the billing address of the credit card. So you want to make sure that is accurate, because sometimes people may borrow someone's card or use someone's credit card. It may not be theirs. That's someone that's becoming a member. So you want to make sure the credit card matches the person who owns the credit card, their billing address. And you can use Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Here in Canada, you can use Visa debit, MasterCard debit, because some people have cards connected to their bank account. You can also send a Western Union, a money transfer to Opulence Global. So, find out how to do that through your back office or reaching out to the company. And that's how you go through the sign up. Once you get to the last page where you put in the credit card information, now you can click finalize the transaction. And one thing I want to recommend, because of the amount for Lifestyle Advisor, it could be $1,500 or $1,800 plus tax, depending on the country. Make sure the person contacts their bank or financial institution to let them know ahead of time what they will be doing, so there's no block or restriction put on the transaction. It will just delay things and getting them launched, and they may get frustrated. So make sure people phone their bank or financial institution, credit card institution, and say, I'll be running a transaction to start a business with Opulence Global. I'm just letting you know the amount in advance. Please do not block or flag the amount, because it'll be myself doing it. It is not a fraudulent transaction because someone stole my card or something. It is me doing it. So I just wanted to call ahead and let you know in advance. So just a little thing to keep in mind, because of the amount, some people have restrictions on what they can use on their credit card or access with their bank account on a daily basis. So just a side note to remember, if someone already runs huge transactions on their credit card, they shouldn't have a problem. And generally the charge will go through. However, there is the odd case where that may happen. So just keep that in mind. So just remember, watch this video as often as necessary to understand how to set someone up. Also remember, when you set them up within their back office, just going to wait for the page to load. Once they get set up, you're going to be in their back office automatically. You want to go into their binary settings, and then you set it left or right based on what strategy you're running working with them. Either you're building the right to start off, or you're building the left to start off, okay? Always remember to go into their back office and set their binary placement. One more thing I want to show you. So once you go in and set the binary placement, you don't have to log in to the back office to set someone up. And I'll show you what I mean. Let's just say your binary placement is already set to left. Every page has this button, opportunity. You just have to click it. It'll bring up the opportunity page. In fact, back here, someone can go read about the opportunity and watch videos and stuff before they get started. They can read what is going on. And if you notice, every few inches, there's a launch your Opulence shop, launch your Opulence shop. Here are the packages, so people can find out what comes in the package before they sign up. And let's just say they want to launch Lifestyle Advisor. They just have to click the Launch Today button, or they can click any of these other buttons, Launch Your Opulence Shop Today. Well, let's just say they click the Launch Today button. It takes them right to the sign-up page as well. So as long as their binary placement is set, you don't have to sign into your account. You can do this on your phone, your Samsung or iPhone, or your tablet. You just have to go to the front of your website. Make sure your name's at the top, myopulence.com/your name. You can click the opportunity button, because remember, your binary placement is already set. And you just have to click any of the launch buttons there, okay? Or you can go right to the package, go through the package with the person, what they're getting, make sure that's okay with them for you to go ahead and launch the package to make them a member. And you just click Launch Today, and you can get them signed up. So you can do that on the front of your website. You can do that logging into your website, whatever works for you. However, always make sure the binary placement is set first, because once you place someone, you cannot move them. Once you place someone, you cannot move them, because people are constantly coming in. So the company is very strict on us putting in people accurately at the beginning. So watch this video as often as you have to. And I pray and hope this training on how to put in a member, whether it be retailer, lifestyle promoter, or lifestyle advisor, helps you. And watch this video as often. Teach it to your team. Forward this video to your team members so they can learn as well. So I want to thank you for your time. My name is Anil Ramcharito. Thanks for watching the training on how to put in and get a member, wholesale member, started effectively in your business.